Hello, welcome to another tech video. So today we're going to talk about artificial intelligence. As someone who uses my phone every single day, it never fails to amaze me how sophisticated AI has become. But first, what's AI or artificial intelligence? Of course, I've done my research to educate you guys. From the word itself, artificial intelligence, it is the ability demonstrated by machines to think, perceive, understand, and analyze information given to them. Just like how intelligence works on natural beings like us humans. So now that we have an idea of what's an AI, let's surf through different features and programs that uses AI and machine learning to get a broader idea on how impactful AI is. Now that we're in this topic, do you guys remember SimSimi? The application that went viral back then, and its mascot was like a small yellow circle with a generic emoticon-like face in it. Doesn't ring a bell? Well, it's an AI conversation app, program, or application, or what others would call chatbots. And if I remember correctly, it was like developed around early 2000s and became viral around 2013, 2015-ish. And I remember it like we all my friends would use it, and because like when I was a kid I always go to this PisaNet. For sure everybody knows what a PisaNet is. It's like an internet cafe but a downgraded version of it. So so yeah, we use it for entertainment, but it was unfortunate because it led to controversy, the app itself, because like its parents aren't really the best people to learn to. FYI, us, the users, are the parents. Because this AI learns from the conversation that it has with us, the users. So, unsurprisingly, it led to something unpleasant. There were reports of the AI being racist, rude, and saying controversial stuff. So, yeah, AI has been utilized since around the 1950s to create programs like logical games like chess and checkers, spell checkers, and for entertainment like the one we talked about. So fast forward to the present. Obviously, time and improvement comes hand in hand. And we all know that the AI today has become much more sophisticated that it makes its predecessors dull and simple. So to provide an example, I got here my phone, and as you can see, it has a lot of cracks. So anyway, examples of current programs that uses AI that are pretty widely used right now are facial, fingerprint, and voice recognition. There are also like AI producing images. So let's demonstrate this feature. So first, the facial and fingerprint recognition. So as you can see, this is my phone, and if you can see here, I don't know if you can see, but there's like an image on the top of the screen that has like a face in it. It means that the facial recognition is now being used, and then if I point my face towards the camera, it will then recognize my face, and then it will unlock the phone. So, and obviously for the fingerprint detection or recognition, is that I think most of the phones that are being produced nowadays have this like sensor or like sensor here in the back of the phone with where you can place your finger, and then it will scan your fingerprint, and then it checks whether you're the registered user or not. So if you are, then look, it's closed, and then if I put my finger here, and then it opens. So yeah, that's the that's the facial and fingerprint recognition, and the voice recognition is another feature that is being widely used today. So let's go to Google Chrome or Chrome, and then Google Chrome has this feature where It recognizes voice to search, where it uses your voice to search. So here's the microphone emote image. So we will just click that, and then we will say listening. So let's try it. Search what is artificial intelligence. So yeah.
According to TechTarget, artificial
it
intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems.
So yeah, it automatically produces you the search that you want to search. So yeah, it's pretty crazy how AI is advancing. Although yes, despite its assistance to us and making our life easier, it still contains possible bad effects, just like what happened to SimSimi. But I think it's kind of inevitable because, like, just like any other things, it's a double-edged sword. I mean, the internet itself is a double-edged sword. It can be helpful and it can cause harm to us people. But that doesn't change the fact that it's pretty useful and reliable. So I think this is where I will end my vlog. Nice talking to you. See you again.